Cool. Looks like we're about good to go. Getting the crew back in. We'll be starting up in just a couple minutes. Welcome back, y'all. Y'all enjoying the silence? Show's about to begin. Double checking, we're good to go. We are good to go. Fuck yeah. Live in HD on Twitch. Let me know if there's any disconnects on either platform. If everything goes nice and smooth, we'll be on Twitch every day from now on. Except for Discord Day Wednesday, of course. Sweet. Welcome back, traders. Coming at you live, 10:15 a.m. West Coast USA, round 2, part 2. We got through Bearish lunch hour. That was easy. Did anyone paper hand when I was gone? No paper hand in here. I'll bounce around us 7s in the chat. Let's get around us 7s going. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I have a confession. I fell in love with the game. I'm married to the church. Not with any specific one though. Never fall in love with any single asset. That's this crypto. Sweet. We're cruising. Let's slide back in. And we're in the church. Full sail. Crypto total market cap steady. Actually, when we were on the intermission, on the lunch break, talked to a girl at the store who knows that I live stream the market. She was asking about it. You know what she said? The random girl at the store who doesn't know anything about charts. She said, "I'm not gonna paper hand any of my crypto." And I said, "Fuck yeah, that's right." Look at you. Keep tying my hands in through the storm. Okay. Good plan. If she can do it, you could. Coconut bounce, S&P. This guy is spicy. So we got 3 more hours to the bell and then we'll do crypto crunch after hours. Probably gonna be important later. You wouldn't expect Bitcoin to do too much right the moment until later in the day. Perhaps even after hours there. As long as nothing too extreme's going, the altcoins moving, grooving. Ese Quito muscle lime whiskey. Just mischief, hashtag paper hands, Dr. Skylar like my med, Agro Grizzly, underwater. Gizmo over on Twitch. We need you to protect the plank, guard the plank over there, man. Gary Hodgin, Javier. I'm Coach Peghead, Aaron Pot Sauce, T-Big. J-Big, you're gonna have to change your name to J-Bank. Next year, your nickname's gonna be J-Bank. We got the moon. If you just add an N in his name, yeah, just add an N in there, J Banker. Modern day banker. Of course, Nano Green again. every day. And they're green every day. Going further and further and further. Dash right over 100. It's cool we have any time to get dash at 100. If only it would stay down at 100 for another 3 months, 6 months. That's not happening. No, we don't have that much time to pillage the altcoins. Litecoin was steady. Yeah. They're all pushing up. Fighting over that $2 trillion mark on the market cap. That's what's coming down to there. 2 T's. We're at 1.9. Easy prey, easy turn. Song request. Sriracha. Spicy. It's getting spicy. One called Sriracha. Hey Jeff. Easy target in that chat. You hear that, guys? JMY used to use signals in charting a lot, and then he recently found out about a risk-free thing called NFTs and crypto games. Oh wow, risk-free? Tell me more. There's no such thing as risk-free in trading. Bait. Reminds me of Crypto Kitties. Anyone remember Crypto Kitties? You know, that thing that was popular for like a month? Crypto Kitties collect and breed forever friends. Buy and sell pictures of cats. Risk free. There's no way, no how, no possible way anything like that would ever be risk free if you're putting your money in some with a picture of a cross-eyed stupid cat. It can't be risk free, but telling me that's a safe place to park your money. Oh boy, some statistics. 69,000 volume, yeah right, that's fake. I don't believe that. 69,420 volume? Oh. Yeah, so that was really popular for like a month, a couple years ago. Now it's all about Spider-Man. Anyway. It's a double-digit kind of a day. One of them's day 9. You gotta be kidding me. They are on the top of the list. Double-digit. And Zella Caval's still under their 250 resistance. Oh boy, Caval's still bearish. Even with that 10% bounce today. Why didn't Spider-Man squeeze at AMC? Because you had to sell it, you had to cash out on the NFTs. If you wanted to make money of that, you had to sell the NFTs to other collectors. It wasn't about the stock price. Well, actually, AMC did go up like 20% that day. And then came down after. So these are selective charts right now. There's reasons why I fucking can't. They're in the middle of a market crash and Ding Dong's #1 on the list. We really are in a matrix. It shows you how crazy everything is. Market confusion, if this is the most green chart today. The least popular one, basically, the most green. Only if it's on our watch list, it gets no. It only counts if it's on our watch list. We're looking for double digits on our favorites. Zella though, so Zella going for continuation all the way 130, 100% from here. It's pretty damn good for a third wave. We had 2 good pushes on Zella already, here and here. This would be the third one. So for the third push to get go 100%, that's a nice target. No wonder we're just cooking up some green. Rivian's green because it's oversold. Rivian's okay, it's just not the biggest targets. If you really like the company, then potentially. The market cap's huge. That's the issue. And it is an issue for this chart, for the stock, for Rivian. 60 bills, $60 billion market cap. Lucid 45. 15 billion more than Lucid is. They don't have anything to back it up yet. Lucid should be bigger market cap. And it will be. I'm sure it will be. That's what's restoring the balance right now. Too big market cap Rivian, not big enough market cap on Lucid. Too big market cap on Tesla, not big enough market cap on Rad or Nikola. As long as Nikola is over $8, it's on fire. It's pretty lit. Holding 8, trying to push it up to 10 end of week and then beyond. So these are sealing the deal. It feels like we're running out of time on them down here in the hot bevies. Hot bevies are cooling off. So if you like Nikola, there's the chance now. Or ride from 3. If you like ride, now's the chance down at 3 before it does blast off to 5. You don't want to fall more than that 5 necessarily. GPL, Great Panther Mining. Alright, this smashed all-time low. I'll show you all this. Yeah. We got an all-time low, double bottom bounce. Over the weekend. But again, it depends what kind of technology, what kind of companies that get you interested in putting your money behind them, because this is gold and silver mining companies, so not trading based off the gold and silver prices, but trading based off the mining production. It's worth a glance. Let me show you. description about it. Since the chart is where it is right now, has lots of potential, is what it is. Great Panther Mining Limited is a growing gold and silver producer focused on the Americas. The company owns a diversified portfolio of assets in Brazil, Mexico, Peru, and includes 3 operating gold and silver mines. Advanced development project and large land package with district scale potential. Founded in 1965. 100 million market cap is small, but it's not tiny. It's big enough for the all-time low. So if it goes 10x, it would be $1 billion company. That makes sense. That's reasonable. So from, yeah, exactly. So from 20 cents to $2, boom, 10x. From 100 million market cap to 1 billion. Should buy a $2 target on this thing right now. 10x. 12x. That's the perfect 12x. That number. All the best charts have that target. It's not 10x. It's not 1,000%. It's 1,200%. Same one right there. Perfect 12x. As Herbert, man, this goes all the way back to 2007. Last time it was this low. So we had it on the radar last year, keeping an eye on it. There's a big anatomy of a bubble cycle all over again last year right there, but it's surely about the longer term. It's beyond even what it did last year. Years and years back. It's good when you get long-term trends like that. You feel extra confident about it. So no surprise if this one starts trending up throughout the next couple months. It's on the top of our list, showing green every day, that's why. I'm showing y'all early at the bottom. If you like the idea of a golden mining production company, kind of like when our crypto plays when we're talking about Bitcoin mining on Met, and like our Bitcoin mining on Met, and they purchased 10 million mining machines with the ability to purchase more in the future. We're still setting it all up in Sphere 3D. If you're bullish on gold and silver, then that the mining company makes sense where it is right now. I wouldn't necessarily want to enter gold or silver, but while I'm on the topic, gold per ounce, actually bullish breakout. Gold's mooning. Because probably all the billionaires are dumping their stocks, buying gold to hedge against the markets. Y'all gotta tell me when the camera's sideways. How did that happen? Sometimes I'm diving deep in the charts, smashing my hand on the table and the camera goes crazy. No one probably even noticed. You're not here to look at me. I'm here to make some money. It's the day of the fucking markets. S&P 439. Yeah, gold is acting as a hedge, basically, yeah. You know, it is right side up. I'm not joking about gold being bullish. Oh, maybe the camera. I swear the chart's not upside down on gold, it's actually breaking out. Is the real perspective on it. But I wouldn't buy that. I would go long on gold. Fuck that. It's been going up forever and ever. You're buying it at the moon already. Should have got in gold 50 years ago. Look, all the governments and institutions. Duh. You know, right about when they made the Federal Reserve and confiscated everyone's gold and made it illegal to own personal possessions of gold. Remember that? I don't, because I wasn't born, but I'll never forget that it happened. Back in the good old days when they made the Federal Reserve and fucked over everyone and said, hey, it's illegal to own gold, so we're gonna buy it all from you. Give us all your gold. And they did. And they gave them shitty paper money, some toilet paper. They gave them some pieces of paper, some toilet paper colored green with a guy's face on it, and I said, here you go, have this instead, bitches. We'll take all the gold. Thank you very much. And then that. After they got their grubby hands all over it, stole it from everyone. So there's no point to really trade that anymore nowadays. You're just making the rich richer. Oh, definitely whiskey. It's already been happening on crypto for years. Now you got lots of rich people holding Bitcoin. They've been loading up every dip the whole time. Yeah, it makes you wonder if they could try and do it with crypto, but that's the power of it. That's why it's a beneficial technology to the population, because it kind of puts power in the people's hands with crypto, where they can't really shut it down, but yeah, they can always regulate it. So there's a middle ground there. My speculation about it, I might as well tell you. What I think could happen with that is, rather than them confiscating Bitcoin or making it illegal to trade Bitcoin or whatever, I don't think they'll go that far with it. They know they can't win that war. That's an impossible battle that they would be trying to fight. So I don't think they're gonna be that extreme with it, but of course they can always roll out their own cryptocurrency and then try and get everyone to use their crypto. They'll make it sound attractive. They'll be like, well, hey, if you use our crypto, then your taxes are automatic and you don't even have to do your taxes, because we're just gonna steal it from you when you're not looking. Just automatically pull out all your taxes, and they'll make it sound all good and easy, and like everyone's doing it. You can do it on Robinhood, and that's exactly what they want. Control over the flow of the money. They can't control the flow of the money on crypto exactly. They can try with like FUD campaigns in the media and whatnot. They can do some damage to it, sure, but I mean, they can't stop the inevitability of supply and demand. Hey, Tonar. rather not than altcoin. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's a solid bounce on it so far. I'm liking a look at this altcoin bounces going 100% in the last week on a bunch of them. TD Rob Price bets it'll be timed crypto like China tried once. Yeah, so it feels to me that they'll probably just let Bitcoin be free and do its thing, but they'll try and compete with it most likely. So the power to the people means that it's decentralized. Decentralization is the key here. When Bitcoin, the mining machines, the network is scattered across the globe. It's not centralized in any one location. If all the blockchain was being run just in America, then the government could contain it. But you have crypto miners all around the world that are part of the network, keeping it sustainable. Of course they want to control it, so if they have their own coin that the population's using, then they will be able to control it more directly. So be careful with that. I'm gonna try and avoid that myself. I don't want anything to do with that. I'll stick to my favorite altcoins. Thank you very much. It's almost a warning. I'm kind of foreboding of what's to come in the future there. So if you hear that in a couple years about, oh, the US Fed coin coming out, the USD coin, whatnot, and it's a mainstream crypto, I'm not gonna hold any of that. I think I'd rather have dollar bills at that point. I'll take my dollar bills over some Fed coin. Okay, here's skill long term. TD Rob. This is a bullish area. Hard retracement last year. Yeah, 90%. That's enough. It's bullish again. SKO. It does appear it's waiting for Bitcoin to have a bigger move though before it were to start hitting bigger targets. It's as good as it could possibly look right now. A bunch of these. Yeah, I got your TD, Rob. So, interesting concept. A lot of coins do get burned on altcoin projects, so what I mean by that is built into the code. So after a certain period of time or a certain event in the network, the coins get removed from circulation. They get destroyed, so to speak. That's fairly common implementation, but just so we're all on the same page and everyone's clear as day, clear as can be. On Bitcoin, there's only ever gonna be 21 million ever programmed into the blockchain. There can't be any more than that created. No one can create them. That's what the network is. There's about 19 million on the market right now, so there's 2 million more that are being mined. That's gonna take 20 years still. With the halving, the rate slows down. So Bitcoin, there's no coin burn on Bitcoin. No one can destroy coins here. No one can create new coins on Bitcoin itself. But over time, there's natural decay in the world with all things, with life, with objects, coins get lost. People die too, and then their coins are gone. There's not really this many coins out there. There's millions of coins that have been lost forever and are never gonna come back, so that's always gonna happen. Even though there's no, technically there's no supply burn or whatnot, there will always be a reduction of coins. There will never be new bitcoins, but people will always lose bitcoins because they're dumb. Because it happens, it's part of life. Their computer explodes or whatever, and they lose their crypto, and it's gone forever. It's a one-way street. It is a one-way street. There's no, it's basic supply and demand. Good question, dude. Are other coins capped like that? Yeah, so most of them are. You gotta be a bit careful. There's something to note before you were to trade any of them. That's why SHIBA and DOGE are sketch. Look at the SHIBA coin, max supply, question mark. Apparently they can just make more SHIBA, I don't even know, fuck that. And look how many are on the market, like 600 trillion coins. That's garbage. With Bitcoin there's only 21 million maximum ever. Not 600 trillion, and with the infinite supply, fuck all that. Some of them are capped, some of them aren't. Ethereum, because Ethereum has active development team, they can affect the supply. The Ethereum developers can do stuff with the supply. That's why I don't. Ethereum's a good project. It's not as lit as everyone thinks. There's too many. It might change in the future. The gas fees can change. Ethereum's maybe not as lit as people think. The question was about Litecoin. Litecoin's capped. Hard cap. 84 million. There you go. And guess what? They're all that's all of them on the market that exists right now. Not sure why that's ranking at 83%. There may be some reserved. There could be some reserved for the developers and everything. Let's see, 84 max supply, 84 total supply circulating on the market right now. They're all on the market. 84 million. SHIBA coin is, who knows what that's gonna do in the future. All I know is the market cap's insane. The market cap's too big. That's all I can tell you about the supply and demand on it. So it depends. Each coin's different, really. That's your due diligence on your altcoins. You gotta check that stuff out. Yeah, it's true. It is a good idea to put your Bitcoin wallet into your will. You can do that for sure. Lawyers will do that kind of thing, where you give them custody of your crypto wallet, give them legal access, and then they can pass it on to your family afterwards if you wanted to make it a generational thing like that. You definitely can pass down your crypto to your kids if you want to. Alright, S&P is paving the way here. I'm surprised those ones are even maintaining double digits right now. That Kaval's even fucking around at 250. Lots of mind games today, really. Not just this morning, but even right now. Hey, VXX hitting 24. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Bye, VXX. What's going on there? Oh shit, we're going to 30. Let's go. Nice. This is what we want today. I'm happy if VXX is on the top of the list today. Our VXX bulls need this shit. Is why we entered VXX, is why anyone traded it in the first place, so it would go up when the market crashed. Perfect. S&P going straight down, VXX going straight up. Here we go. That's right. Go, no mercy. We got $30 and the week targets. It might hit it today. We are getting the extreme action on the market. The S&P is getting spicy. At Valentine's Day. Of course. I was expecting some shit to go down, dude. Use my language, but I was expecting crazy shit to happen today. Where's Hershey's at? We'll check our Hershey's trade. Okay, 2R2. Working its way down, following S&P. That looks very similar to the S&P right there. Best Valentine's Day you ever had. Nice, Kelly. Excited about VXX, alright. You're not the only one. It is the only chart, though. It is legit the only fucking one of our charts that has been misbehaving. It's not been doing what it's supposed to do lately. It's overdue for a $30 test. And that's just the beginning. We can get through $30 here. For a 45. During the market crash, 150%. Oh yeah. That's savage. We want to hit some big targets on this week. Help out all the VXX holders. Get some profits on that. That was the whole point of diamond handsing it for a couple months. Couple of weeks whenever you got in, so that we can hit $30.45 and you can take some profits. And congratulations, you just hedged against the market going straight down. You just made money on VXX once everything's going straight down effectively. You're savage. Right there. So we've been waiting for on it's about a 25. Awesome. It almost did on Friday even, so this continuation straight from Friday, still working its way up to the real resistance up at 30. It should be smooth riding all the way up to 30, smooth sailing to 30. That's why it's going up so rapidly. So we're cool with this. Yeah, there we go. Goodbye, S&P. All-time high. Say goodbye. Crashing the fucking iceberg. That's what it gets. Direct it. Oh, we want this. We need this. Let's get it all over. It's not taking very long on the new week. Let's Only Monday is already melting. Continuing from Friday, so everything's pretty much left off from Friday, which is cool. Happy about that. It's going as it's expected, as we planned on. This is what we were planning for. It's always great when things go according to plan, especially when you're trading money. Especially when that plan is making money on charts. So it is very, very good for the bears, for the VXX holders. All we want on crypto and the hotbed, we just want to maintain. As long as they don't go down 20% today, it's all good. As long as RIDE just sits around $3, it's 307. RIDE doesn't have to go green at all today as long as it stays over $3. It's on fire. My goodness, so we hit Cabo targets on Friday. We're about to hit some VXX targets today. We've been hitting targets like every day last week. Zella, AI advertising. We've been smashing targets all over the place on February. February fires, no joke, it's been kicking in full blast. I really am so glad we're getting it all over with. If you've made it through November, December, January, what categories? Choose me on for VXX. Catch eating so many bears, she's getting kind of heavy. Got a little chubby tubby. It feels good that we're getting it all over. It means we're making it through the storm. We're halfway through the market crash. More than halfway. I would say more than halfway, because now it can speed up. Is where it would speed up. Next couple of weeks it can keep going straight down now. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of exciting. We've been waiting 2 weeks. That whole coconut bounce has taken 2 weeks. That was annoying. That was the bad part about it. This is the fun part. This is the good part. Was get that party started there. This part sucked. 2 weeks of up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down mind games every day. Ah, fuck all that. No more mind games. Just smash it down. I'm tired of all the mind games, the fake moves every day. Like S&P pretending to be green this morning. Fuck all that. Just smash it down. No more coconut bounces every day. It's getting annoying. It's getting stale. That can't last forever. Pretending to be green every morning and then smashing down at the end of the day. Enough's enough. And the dollar helps you. That's extra confluence. That's all the confluence you need. It's not just the S&P. It's the dollar chart super bullish too in comparison. When you factor both of them, how bullish the dollar is plus how bearish the S&P is almost inevitable. It feels like just a matter of time, so let's get it on, get it over with. I don't really want it to last 6 months because it'll just be kind of more of the same. We want the real change to happen, the real flow of money. The real wealth transfer. Smart money versus dumb money. We want all that wealth transfer from all the dumb money all the millionaire moon boys. Those coconut FOMOers. Transfer that right into our bank accounts. That's the wealth transfer. Sure about that, Paul? UVXY 50x? That's never 50x. This doesn't go as big as VXX actually. And back here. I guess if you really consider the whole. Let's measure. Maybe it is 50x. Let's double check. You got me curious about it. Forget how big it was. Yeah, that's not 50x. It's like 10x, 12x. Our perfect target. That's our perfect 1,200% target right there. Not quite 50x though. None of these charts are 50x targets. They're all about that same area, 10x potential. None of the inverse S&P charts, I'm saying. We have some 50x targets. But this one's... it's not 50x targets anymore. Maybe 20x at most from 20, well, 10x is at 20 or 10 to 15x perhaps, 20x at most. Not 50x. DRV, bearish real estate, about to hit 45. Green alert, bearish real estate. Another one, not 50x though, not, these are 10x charts, inverse S&P. You might be able to make 50x if you have calls on me. That's how big of a move it is. Verify with Dutch. She's my Valentine's today. Get solid on it. No sign of slowing down whatsoever. Should be hitting 30 this week. Hopefully today, that would be really cool. Just measure 20%. Yeah, that's within reason. be surprised if some of the holders were taking some profits up there. Yeah. Drunk Randy. Step away from the charts for one little lunch break and now the S&P's tanking. Yep. Yeah, Edgar Grizzly, check the charts on Discord, man. With the VXX targets, I'll post it on the chart section on Discord for you. See, they're bigger targets. But the whole point of this trade is to protect against this. That's all this shit. It's done that. It's been going good. It has protected. But yeah, it's just the beginning. This just first resistance. Really. Basically, the trade doesn't truly begin until over 30. But we're gonna need S&P continuation for that. It's happening, it's actually happening. We don't even have that much more time on that bell. This thing's fucked. Monday morning is not even pretending anymore. It's not even pretending to be a coconut bounce. It's already tanking. Pretty much best case scenario for the stock pirates, for the badass traders. But behold, a witness. You're witnessing the real market crash. It's not fucking around. Like, people are losing so much money on this right now, and we're just chilling, getting through the storm. It's not hurting our charts that much at all. Exactly, now you can expect Tesla to get tanked. The Valentine's Day Massacre. Yeah, we're going double digits native on VXX by the looks of it. It was exactly what it needs. There's no sign of slowdown at all. I'm not seeing any indication of this changing for the next 2 hours. It's looking like S&P is just gonna close really red, really ugly, and VXX very green, very pretty. There's no reason at all that this would change right now. We're good to go. It's just a matter of when, it seems like. It's our $30 end of week target. Are we gonna hit that today? Are we about to hit that right now? That was quick. From 20 to 30, that was quick. In like 2 days. It's been 2 days so far. Really. February 11th straight up, and February 14th today. And that's how far it's gone. 2 days. Let's it's almost certainly gonna be hitting, at least testing up at 30. It might not break through 30. We might not make it through 30, but it looks like it's at least gonna try. Plan's very much on track. This all coinciding with the dollar and everything. Dollar's going straight up. Exactly. VXX. Good, bad, and ugly. The bad part, it leads to more stagnation on our favorite charts. Our bullish charts, they might not move very much today. When the dollar's going straight up, DRV, 345. I just got 345. It's pretty lit. I like this shirt. It was a good one. Good 10x. Nice little 10xer chart. Nice little banger chart on the market crash. Real estate bubble burst. If the real estate bubble's bursting, you might as well make 10x on it. That's my theory. Yeah, that slowed down Nikola, Lucid, Ride, all those ones because we're getting that extreme price action. We're absolutely getting extreme price action. Giant red candles, SP, giant green candles, dollar is getting pretty wild. Buckle down, fasten your seatbelt. I still gotta get a seatbelt for the chair. Click. Imaginary. Right, Peter D'Angelo? It makes you think, makes you wonder. It's hard to believe that there are some bulls out there who are entering these bearish trades. Tesla's green on the day. Who would be buying? Or Nvidia. It makes you wonder, who's even buying this stuff when it's just losing value every week lately? They clearly, whoever is buying Nvidia is not looking at the chart. Clearly. They're choosing to ignore the chart. They probably read some news about it and they go, oh, that sounds cool. Nvidia's coming out with a brand new technology next month. I'm gonna go all in, and they get wrecked. There's always a certain limit, the limit and value levels. I like Ethereum, but not enough to buy it at $4,000, $5,000. Fuck that. It's kind of similar to where the video is. Just so we're still bullish on Ethereum. Following Bitcoin, it's gonna move wherever Bitcoin goes. Ethereum's gonna follow. But the point is, it's not an attractive entry up there. Not even close. So who the heck's even buying it up there? Makes you wonder. Or how about Dogecoin last week? Oof. Oh. Dogecoin. Screw. Dogecoin more like fucked coin. Well, I hold back to. I can't hold back when there's extreme market crash. Let's get some more sevens in the chat. Captain's gonna go. We're gonna have a coffee reload. Reload the cannons. We'll be right back in just a couple minutes. A lot of the crew wanted to buy Doge at the top back then. Months ago, I said no. Don't do it. It's not about Dogecoin, it's about the price that you would be getting in at. It's still ugly. It's gonna be. Try and catch it down there. Catch some Dogecoin fucking down there next year. The end of the year. After it crashes 99%, then we'll fire some cannons at it. %, no joke. That's serious target. I'm dead serious about that. It can crash 99% from the top there. Right into that coffee cup. I told you guys last year from the very beginning. The whole time. So, the OGs. You probably remember me saying that Dogecoin's a fucking pump and dump. It always has been and it always will be. It goes huge and then it crashes all the way back down to zero, to the very bottom every time. I've seen it happen every time. Every like 3 years, 5 years it does this. I've seen this happen multiple times with Dogecoin. It's predictable like that. It crashes 99% every time, all the way back down. Okay. I would know, because I bought that shit. I've been charting it since 2014 when it first came out. Support test Bitcoin. This is what happens with all the extreme market action. So much chaos on the S&P and shit. And Bitcoin has some panic selling like that. Ding dong's only 10% right now. I guess. Jumping back in the chart. What's up, Infinity88? He goes, holy crap. The Bitcoin candles. Yeah, it's good in some panic, so we went on some paper hand action. 42k stop hunt. Stop loss just getting hit. 42. Short term action, long term chart. We're pretty solid on Bitcoin still overall. See, this resistance, we had this marked here. Trying to get through the resistance, bouncing around there. It does make sense on the longer term charts here. Oh yeah, for absolutely. Do whales panic sell sometimes? Definitely, man. Warren Buffett did. Yeah, a big example of that. We were laughing, joking around, calling him Paper Hand Buffett one time. Go, Paper Hand Buffett paper-handed his airline companies here halfway down during the 2020 crash. He sold for a major loss here when it was going straight down, basically causing it to go even further down, and then it was a good entry down here. As far as I'm aware, he's out. I don't think he ever got back in. I think he just paper-handed it, and that's it. He took a big loss and moved on. A quick Google search will tell you all about it. Warren Buffett says Berkshire sold all its airline stocks because of the lockdown. May 2020. The prior stake worth north of $4 billion. He paper-handed $4 billion in the airline. Jeez. The fuck? A United American Southwest and Delta airline. The world has changed for the airline, she says, and I don't know how it's changed. And I hope it corrects itself in a reasonably prompt way. Sounds pretty cool, so that he added, when we sell something very often, it's going to be our entire stake. We don't turn positions. Go. That's not a good way to handle your positions. The fuck? He may be losing touch with reality, guys. I think he's lost his touch. Do you think he really looks at the charts that much anymore? Okay, let's have a laugh. I got a meme or two. No, he didn't need it for liquidity or anything. He just panic sold during the lockdown. He didn't think they were gonna recover very quickly. But hey, falling's up over 100% since then. Yeah, he'll be fine. But still, happy Valentine's Day, yo. Checking your portfolio or CCIV Bay. Boomers rushing to buy gold. Yeah, that's the point. He could have just diamond hands his airlines, but he gave up on them. Sure, showing that gold chart. No offense, obviously, mature audience. They're the best. Our mature viewers are the best. I lost 20 billion in 2 days. Zuckerberg lost 29 billion in 1 day. When Facebook tanked the other day, I went straight down. How do you lose 30 billion in 1 day? What's that? Whoops. When you got more money on the line, there's more at risk. And then this is not even a meme. This isn't even related to trading. I just saw this on a video game site or something. But here's the Moon Boys. We got a picture of the Moon Boys. Self-portrait. That's what I envision in my head every time I say Moon Boy. There's even some swam bots in the chat. You know what that means. Those are changing. Oh, and Bitcoin is back over 42, so there go the stop losses. Paper hands just got stopped out already. I was bouncing over 42. Hey, Scallywag. Thanks for the moderation there. When it's an obvious spam bot like that, you can just kick them right off the plank. Don't even throw them in the brig. We take no prisoner. Just kick them right off the plank. Lots of tension building the power hour, 25 minutes. Please don't let Ding Dong be the only double-digit chart today. Gotta be kidding. Yeah, if it's a question, if it's questionable, then just throw them in the brig for 300 seconds. But if it's an obvious one, ban him. I already did it, so you probably didn't see the option. Yeah, for sure, Dunk Randy. Pertman was buying that up the other day. Hey, Bill Watson. Mullins lost 90%. That thing came straight down like a meteor out of space. Smashing down into the ground. Mullen. But where did it go down to? Even lower than the all-time low now, but all-time low. So it's become hot bevy scenario on Mullen if you like the company. It wasn't a hot bevy before. Figured everyone kind of lost interest, but the pirates have been scooping it out. It's got potential from his dollar area. Definitely has potential there. All-time low, it's the kind of stuff we're looking for. It's long-term bullish, so I still have it on the bullish watch list. It just hasn't changed for a long time. It's been red every day for 2 months. So eventually here, now that it's down at $1 all-time low, if you can catch it under $1, I'd say hot bevy under $1. It's at 110. If it's bullish enough, it'll be bought up before it breaks under $1 and just bounce from here. So we'll keep an eye on it.
Hot beverage.
These are the kind of ones that you would have wanted to have a stop loss on if you had entered here anytime. Of course, it's easier to see that after the fact. So now that it's got hammered there, if you were still holding it, it's just set it and forget it. You gotta give it plenty of time now in the long haul. But for new entries, it's getting there. It's getting attractive. Because it's below 2020 prices, literally all-time low. And you know the all-time low are the ones that have been bouncing hugely. The most green charts consistently on our list have been from the all-time low. That's what Ding Dong is. It's been crushing it because it's from the all-time low. And I remember looking at it right when it broke out down here saying, I can't believe it, but this thing's about to go like 200%. And now it's been doing it. From the all-time low, literally on the top of the list right now during the crash. And that's where Kavo was at 50 cents. Was the hot bevy Kavo down there. So I'd say Mullen similar under $1. There's still a bunch of them that are developing hot bevies. And Nicholas, currently all-time low area. Even though it looks solid and it's been pushing green, the $7, $8 area, it's still technically all-time low on it. So it's still very much developing on Nikola, active accumulation. Those ones are gonna take more time. Some of them aren't really ready yet. Other ones completely ready. That's why Kavo went so big last week, because it was completely ready at the all-time low undervalued. There were no sellers. All the paper hands got folded. After all the paper hands folded, then Kavo went green. So some of them still shaking out the paper hands on Nikola and Ride and Met and T-Cat. They're all shaking out the paper hands still. Those ones aren't ready. Not quite, but they're going well. They're heading in the right direction, that's for sure. Most of those that I just mentioned are green on the day. Hey Gizmo, I'm reading your messages just so you know over there. Even though you're the only one chatting on Twitch. The reason we took a lunch break truly was so I could try double streaming on Twitch again. So far so good. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. The downside of this is I can't schedule the live show. So there's not gonna be a scheduled thumbnail out there like usual. I'm just gonna start it up in the morning. So you might not get the notifications tomorrow even. That's the bad part about it. We're gonna give it another go tomorrow. Even though it's not our favorite chart, it is the one moving the most right now today on DDL. I'm just gonna call it DDL from now on. I'm embarrassed to even keep calling it that. I'm not showing it just for fun. Captain doesn't. You know better than that. Captain doesn't show off his ding dong just for fun. I don't show off ding dong well, something's about to happen. Even though it's not our favorite chart, it's paving the path. It's paving the way forward, showing us the potential of our other ones like Zella. It's one of our all-time low hot bevies, pushing up very strong today. So it is relevant, it's important. Oh, I gotta show it. Well, I have to, because it's probably gonna close the day up 20% or more. So we're gonna have to pull it up again at the end of the day, but I mean, at least one of the all-time low charts is continuing onwards and upwards, even if it is this one. Showing strength for our undervalued place. And keep in mind, even though cryptos, there's some market confusion. This is usually how it goes when S&P has a big extreme move like that as well, to the downside especially. The paper hand action, that's normal, but keep in mind it is holding green. It's holding green, it's holding at 42. No weakness there. I'm not seeing any concern on crypto. Yeah, truly, throughout the whole afternoon and morning, it's great. In the chat, awesome conversation as always, but I can tell that most of you want it to go down now. That's a major difference. That's how I know Crew's way ahead. That's how I know you're understanding it all. It appears that the common consensus out there in our audience is that most of us do just want the S&P to start tanking and get it all over with. That's what we've been talking about for, what, 6 months now, preparing for the storm, getting through deadly December, getting through boring January. Now we're getting that February fire. It's about time. It's way overdue. We need this. I'm glad no one seems to be panicked about it. You know it's coming. We just gotta get through it. Hey, Betty Nomad. I see X. Yeah, okay. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Said the markets are fucked up. Waiting for the dollar to follow suit. It's certain things that are. I've been dropping the fire today, being pretty direct, being blunt, making bold statements about the general market conditions. There are certain ones that are in hot water, to say the least. They're very much taking huge damage. They're in extreme amounts of trouble. Most of those are simply overvalued because they were trending up with the S&P last year to the all-time highs last year, and then they've been coming down for a couple months. So really, there are certain ones that are in big trouble, like Nvidia. Tesla, even. Those are just go-to examples because most traders are always bullish on them no matter what. And the chart disagrees right now. So these ones are very much in hot water. Not attractive whatsoever. On the other hand, we have some beautiful ones. They're primed and ready to go to the moon. Stocks and altcoins. Reason being, they already sold off. Okay, so check out our last week trade. This is one of them from last week. From 50 cents to $3, boom. 475%. Not everything's fucked right now. Some things are mooning. There's huge opportunities still nonetheless if you know where to look. Finding that green, I see a red. VXX. Good way to trade against all the red coming through on S&P. Couple of our traders making hundreds of percents on VXX last week. Even Lucid steady right now. We'll get back to Bitcoin after hours. I don't think we're gonna see anything too extreme till the end of the day.
Jasmine under 3 cents. Noom.
Oh wow, yeah, okay. Right, okay. We'll use that as an example then. It's not bored enough. Bro, I'm telling you, you're never gonna be bored enough where we're heading. Yeah, under 3. That's a hot baby. That's hot baby action. Anything under 5? That's hot baby.
Hot beverage.
So is our, well, it's green because it's a buy box, a bull box. A trampoline. Let's measure their tracement now. It's maintained this resistance the whole way. So if you were really keeping an eye on it, that's the one trend line to rule them all right now. So ideally you would enter it on a breakout there. But this is perfect accumulation. So let's measure it now. This must be over 90%. Yeah. Anytime we have a 90% or more retracement on one of our bullish altcoins, or long-term bullish altcoins, that's pretty lit. It was already crushing 30 cents back in October. A bunch of you traded it up back then. And then we were trying to catch re-entries down here, starting under 10. For the long term, starting under 10 cents, but under 5, that's where it's really lit, you see. In the gold buy box. Green buy box. I want to make it gold, that's how lit it is. You know you have a nice value entry on it. You're stealing that treasure from people who paper handed it, losing 90%. They made a terrible mistake on Jasmine, selling for a big loss right now, and you're the one pillaging it on the other side of the trade. So any of our bullish altcoins truly in the long term that have retraced that much, Nano 90%, same deal. Nano's already been bouncing, so it has been about 90% on them, and then they're going green after that. If you can catch any of these altcoins on this list, down 90% from last year, that's pretty good. And check this out. When we're talking about the hotness of the beverages. You're picking up what I'm throwing down. The fire, beverages, power of diamond hands, and brave in the face of danger. When it comes to the hotness of the bevies, when you think about Grayscale Litecoin being up at $500 last year, that's a 99% crash. 99% on Grayscale Litecoin. Damn. And where's it sitting? $7. Beautiful. But 99% on a bullish long term diamond hands hold. My goodness. That's why it's irresistible. How can I resist? I couldn't. I pillaged it. A Litecoin 99% crash on a Litecoin chart. Think about if Ethereum crashed 99%, I would buy the fuck out of it. Well, how much did Grayscale Ethereum go down originally when that crashed? Because there was a crash on Grayscale Ethereum at one point back here. That's where I was turned bullish on it. 85%, guys. 85%. Grayscale Ethereum's never crashed 99%. Not the same at all. It's essentially unheard of. It's never happened as far as I know. I don't think any of the other grayscales have ever crashed 99% like that. And it's Litecoin of all things. Litecoin's pretty hype. Excited about the long-term potential of Litecoin itself. Hey, Will Smith, how you doing? Awesome. Yeah, made it in time for Power Hour. Let's go! Upwards, downwards. That's our portfolios blasting off. Now, a bunch of the pirates have been diamond handsing. Lots of hot babies, of course. But a selection. Oh! Cobble testing on breakout still 15%. That's shaky. That's dangerous. Anyway, I'm glad that everyone took profits. Fuck Cobble. I just take it off the list at this point. We won that trade 500% 1 week. Badass. Cobble trade's over as far as I'm concerned. Alright, so there are a bunch of red diamond hands positions. Lucid 2777, another magic number. For Power Hour, let's say ride. Maybe your cost average is $4 on ride. It's down at 3. It's cool because some people have been down like 50% on ride, but now they're only down 25% or 30%. Even if you were down a lot last month, hopefully it's starting to work its way back up. Even if you're just diamond handsing ride, you might still be red on it, but it's heading in the right direction. And with the popcorn bounces we've been seeing, all the pressure building on ride, it's not capable of having a big breakout right now when the S&P's been going straight down. With everything else craziness going on, it's not worth, or it's not really even possible for it to go that far right this minute. When everything settles down again, it'll be one of the first to start crushing it. And hopefully it just pushes right up to $5 in no time at all. And you're agreeing on it. But yeah, Lewis, let's check out, since I don't like it still. I'll show you it. The good news is Hershey's hurting on Valentine's Day. Ah, fuck. What? Sorry to hear that. That hurts the captain where it counts. Fell down the stairs last night. Broke a couple bones in your foot. Oh, hey, time for the peg leg. Yes, I guess you earned your peg leg. On a bright side. That's one way to earn your peg. But yeah, I hope you feel better soon. It's a nice day in the markets today, at least smooth sailing today, so you don't have to worry about that too much. Okay. Now you get to watch the stream all day. Sounds good. Yeah, that's not fun to hear. There's been a lot of that kind of thing lately hitting the crew. The real life battle. Distracts you from the charts usually. Also, sometimes when lots of bad things happen in a row, then it all gets out of the way. You kind of get all the bad juju out of the way. You got it all over with, and then good things start happening again. Yeah, just like the charts. After all the paper hands are shaking out, getting slammed down, then good things start happening again and they bounce. Alright, that's unfortunate though about real life bad luck sometimes. I don't like the look of sense. It still has chance to hold here, so I do have an alert set on it. Starts breaking down, but it gets stuck under $2 is pretty much done. So, fall all the way to 50 cents. So for the long term, this is short midterm, even if it does. For the long term, yeah, you would think it should be able to recover by 2024 or whatnot. 2 years. You would think so. But is it worth holding through all that shit? These are one of the ones that's pretty much... it might be worth cutting losses on. And honestly, I had a bad feeling about it because I heard Boxboy went long on it. I heard one of the AMC YouTube coconut kids. I don't even know what to call him anymore. Yeah. What do you even call him? I heard one of the Moon Boys was fumbling into Sensonics, and I just had a bad feeling about it. The money was going long on it, getting bullish, getting excited about it. every time that happens, the charts go straight down. Every time the moon boys enter something, it goes straight down. So, at the current spot, if there is some wiggle room here, it's not over yet. It's in the danger zone. And if it fails to bounce from here, if it fails to hold up here, it's probably not even worth holding any longer. Yeah, they're like oblivion NPCs. Like oblivious NPCs. Shots fired. Things like this, even if you were gonna diamond hands it through that, my problem with it is you're missing other opportunities. It may be worth taking the loss and then getting into a better opportunity for the next couple years. And that's where your personal risk tolerance comes into play. It needs a miracle bounce right now. It can still get it. I have doubts. I'm leaning bearish on it still. But let's see if it can hold $2 or not. It's pretty oversold on this short midterm. So it did get smacked down too hard, too
Two
fast.
words when it comes to senators. Dilution incoming.
Yeah. Oh. Was that just me? I heard senators. Do you all just hear senators? He typed in cents. S-E-N-S. I heard senators. That was weird. You heard it too, Tamagato? Robot. Robot's not fucking around, did it? Everyone heard that? It wasn't just me? What the heck? Yeah, I thought that's what he typed. Weird. He typed S-E-N-S, not senators. Well, I guess both apply. Yeah, absolutely, Lewis. I'm trying to help you get out of it if you need to, so that you don't lose the whole, you don't have to ride it the whole way down. Let's give it a bit more time, but I just want you to know I do have a breakdown alert on it just in case. If that alert triggers, it's not gonna look good. You might want to cut it. It did go too far too fast there. It did get smacked down too hard right there in the short term. So there is a good chance that bulls step in here and there's at least a bit of a relief rally on it. Going back up to 3. And then hey, maybe you can even get out at 3 without taking damage. So let's give it some time still. But it's in hot water for sure. It's teetering right on the edge. Yeah, everyone's confused about the robot. Glad that wasn't just me hearing that. I thought it was a mirage for a second. Ooh, Jim68, ZIM. Where's Evil Toro? He's probably sleeping in, napping today. He's just raking it in on the Bears. Puts. Forget 70. Oh, nice. Naked Swabby, let's go. What is that? Fucking Twitch bits? Thanks for that Twitch bits. Whatever that is. Some salt. That's fun. Yeah, just for fun. I just wanted to be back on there. Hopefully it's all smooth now. Let me know if there's any issues, because we'll be doing it again tomorrow. If you want to watch on Twitch tomorrow instead of YouTube. They're fun people on Twitch. They're more gaming crowd and not as serious, perhaps. Which suits our trading style. We have fun while we curse our church. Since we do it every day, you gotta enjoy what you do. If you're not enjoying your trading, you're doing it wrong. That's the problem. It really, think about it. It shouldn't be stressful. Stock Wizard was like, I can't even look at Kavo right. Yeah, it's still holding resistance. It's still bearish on Kavo. Don't be fooled by that. Yeah. How's that paper? I'm gonna go to great. I gotta Google what the heck a Twitch is. Hey. Oh yeah, we're also launching OnlyFans next month. And then TikTok after that. Never. Yeah, if you're day trading, Kavo is a stressful one. It's not even worth it. Exactly, but you know, man. Oh, you know what? Back to your name's familiar from months ago. You were here a long time ago. I remember you now. So the real nerves will kick in when everything's green as fuck. It's so true. That's where the diamond hands really get put to the test. It's so ironic. Everyone says they have diamond hands, but how many actually put it to the test? How many actually deploy it? It definitely took diamond hands on AMC way back when to get through that $10, $15 volatility. Back here, this was diamond hand times, so that was really March, April, May. That was 3 months of diamond hands in AMC there, through all the waves, surfing the waves. JD Party, that shows your age. Your age is showing, watch out. You spelled TikTok wrong. I think it's pretty funny because TikTok's so popular, so mainstream. All the China FUD, well, what the heck? TikTok, known in China as Douyin, is a video-focused social networking service owned by Chinese company ByteDance Limited. A Chinese company, TikTok. Yeah, all the China FUD on Metin and Tao and all the China stocks. Everyone's too scared. They don't have the balls to go long on the China stocks, yet they use TikTok every day. They'll reveal all their secret information on TikTok data collection every day of the week with no problems, don't care at all. That's a Chinese owned company, except they're too scared to enter charts like this just because they're based out of China. can't go both ways. How do you be bullish on TikTok and then bearish on other Chinese companies? I don't get it. Yes, suckers are no doubt. We'll always primarily be on YouTube for the time being. Yeah, that's right, Kelly. We got a whole nother chat going on out here on Twitch right now. There's YouTube. I'm reading both. Another way to get some new cool people in the chat as well. They were trying to shake us out with all those disconnects last year. I think we're finally good now that we're smooth sailing. Okay, so hold it with narrow, making it go for it. Okay. Showing lots of strength. Almost getting through 5 is 497. So narrow's been primed and ready to go for some time now, a couple weeks at least. Couple months more like. Oh yeah, I was looking at this over the weekend. I forgot how big Neuro went back then. Neuro exploded, went 12x back on July, August. Yeah, 10x target, 5 to 50. Neuro trade, so understandable. Let's go for double digits today. Talking about scary movies in the chat. Those movies used to scare me when I was younger. But then you get desensitized to it. Just like trading. You get desensitized to it. The bad parts, the emotions, when it's tough, it gets easier to diamond hands and stick to the plan. That part gets easier, less panic and everything. It's hard at first. You feel really emotional watching your money go up, down every day, checking your portfolio every 2 minutes. Right? Get desensitized to it. You start to realize, hey, it's all good as long as it's heading in the right direction. Then I'm heading towards the target, and when I hit the target, then I'll take profit. So if you're holding Neuro, you don't have to look at it at all until it hits $50. Put in a word up at 50. Go on vacation. A lot of these are set it and forget it right now. It's just that they go so quick, you never really know when it could hit this target by the end of the month, 2 weeks from now, if everything starts exploding. So. happens quick sometimes and it surprises you, and you go, okay, it's already crushing it, I gotta make a move. That's all part of leveling up. It really is. So crew's been leveling up, preparing for battle, training, getting those experience points. The one thing you're missing, I know what you're missing. Everyone comments on this, been a recurring theme. Even if you've been learning the charts well and you've been keeping up and following along every day, and you're feeling pretty good about your progress on your TA, your charting, and even practicing your day trades, whatever, everyone's still missing one big piece of the puzzle. And constantly they ask me, I was saying, hey, I feel good about my charting. I've been getting better at my practicing my day trading. I'm overcoming my emotions, but I still feel like there's something missing. That's the experience. That's the practice. Of course you feel that way. You feel kind of shaky your first time sailing the ocean. We're gonna take our last coffee intermission going to the end of the day. Thanks everyone. Crypto crunch after. One last afternoon coffee prepared for after hours and everything. We'll be right back. Finish with that bang. As long as we're steady, I'm happy with it. It's been steady all day. Nothing too extreme. Pretty much what was to be expected today. Potentially more Bitcoin. More Bitcoin bounce after the bell. That's the only thing that isn't really behaving as expected, because it's literally 0%, 0.00% on the day on Bitcoin right now. So that's kind of awkward, but besides that, we're doing good. Cobble's battling it out, so I mean, might as well leave it up. It's the only one actually moving right now. See if Cobble gets stuck here. I'm mostly putting this up so everyone's on the same page. That's, you gotta take Cobble profits. Still bearish on it, even if it's top of the list right now. It's not a breakout, it's just a coconut bounce in the moment. BXX the real deal. There's much more than a coconut bounce on BXX. Coconuts are getting bounced right off the deck. Mind games, Cobble. That's the intense one. Stay calm, suckers, or you're good. I'm expecting it to finish ugly there, even though it's 20% green technically. Just playing mind games, trying to trap. It's a bull trap by the looks of it on Cobble. Bull trap. Careful. Just get the profits. Move on to a better trade. There's so many other good trades. Fuck Cobble. And we blasted a playlist. Let's finish them off. Let's finish off those cracking those coconuts. Fucking gobble. Gobble manga instead of a full effect. Jumping back to the church. About 30 minutes on the bell. The country. Welcome back, church. The FOMO's kicking in. They're pumping it. They're FOMOing in. Gobble. Careful. No FOMO. That's not pretty. I don't trust that. We'll see how far it gets, but that looks very sketch. Tomorrow it can get hammered. I can't recommend trading Cabo where you're playing with fire in the middle of a market crash. Fuck that. Definitely don't re-enter it. No re-enters. Take profits on it. It's all good. Time to move on. Better trades. Less sketchy ones. Even Zella's it's a better choice than Cabo right now. This looks good. So bullish momentum on the daily. That continuation. 130, a longer term bigger. But okay, Zella went up 100%, 180%. If this was equivalent to Cavo right now, it would be at $2. It would be up here right now. That's sketch. If Zella was $2, I would say the same thing. 500% in a week. You're playing with fire, middle of a storm. If our torch is gonna get blown out. There's rain coming down. There's a rain cloud ahead. Yeah, guess who? Got that right. XL solid right now. Yeah, so all these other ones, these are primed and ready to go. Cavo's at its ending phase. Cavo looks too dangerous. It's ugly. Not worth the risk reward there. Let's take the profits and run. Let's get the treasure back to town. It's better to take Cavo profits and then put them in something else, like potentially XL. Another hot heavy. Hey, it's all-time low right now at 1 dubs. No move on it yet. Just more accumulation. Let's double check how hot exactly. Yeah. 95%. That's all right.
Hot beverage.
If you're bullish on the company, then heck yeah. There's 12x targets, the typical targets. I guess that's what we can call it, our typical 12x target. 1,200%. We need healing on it though. If I'm gonna tank it, we need some fucking healing. We're up the bush. I need more damage. How's PayPal looking? It's looking like it got annihilated. Oh my goodness. I mean, I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't trade PayPal there, but hey, if you were waiting for it, maybe if you thought about diamond handsing, long-term investing PayPal a couple years ago, well, now's your chance. Let's put it that way. I'm not gonna buy that hot baby. There's some dirt in that coffee. That coffee was brewed with salt water. AKDB Barbosa. DraftKings is similar. That one's more attractive. People are writing puts on it. It's actually right now. It's not done yet. Not yet. So it is more attractive than that one, but I'm still bearish on this. Down towards bigger targets. I'm looking at under 20. Well, came down to 17. It's pretty close. I was looking at 10, 15. There's not enough to go long on it yet. It's not a breakout or anything. You can see a hard resistance curve. Basically where that arrow is. So it doesn't look ready yet for bullish entries. You want to get it down here. But under 15 would be good entries on it. It's not as hot as we would like it. It's getting there. So if you're bullish on DraftKings, it's probably a good idea to wait on it a bit longer. Yeah, Coinbase. That one's down there. Let's double check. Well, not quite. Same thing actually. It's not quite ready. It's getting down there. Earnings coming up. February 24th. 2 weeks. I'll wait till after the earning. Same kind of deal with a hard resistance. Doesn't look ready yet actually. It's just getting there. resistance. That's a problem. Get down to 100. Stop people at 100. Hit like 95 or something. Right under 100. That's where you'd want to enter it. Yeah. And 75% retracement there from the top. It's probably not going to go 95% down or 99% down or anything like that. 75 from the top. Then it'd be a good entry. You want to make sure the targets are worthwhile. That's the catch. Because, okay, let's say you entered here and you're going for all-time high targets. Which is pretty big. That's a lot to ask for, to enter a chart and say, hey, this chart's gonna hit all-time high. Even if it does, okay, you might make 125%. It doesn't get me that excited. The irony is kind of... Here's where the markets are fucked up. I hate to do it, but we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to show you the hood chart and compare it to Robinhood. Robinhood got the smackdown already last year. It tanked already. It came down to a hot bevy. This is our old chart. We didn't even look at it for months, and I pulled it up and it was right down there. Alright, so the irony is actually bullish on Robinhood here. Gen X Gamer made 50% on it already. I mean, it depends where they're at. Coinbase doesn't look ready yet. Robinhood's more bullish than that, ironically. Crashing at 85% or more. And then the earnings catalyst getting a bounce holding over 10. The chart's just the chart. It doesn't matter what the company is necessarily. It depends on all the factor variables there. And it came low enough, and it's still a big company. Still a big retail company. There are tons of investors in Robinhood. It's not really going anywhere. So it was an obvious short from back there. It was obviously bearish at 77. I remember talking about Robinhood puts at 77. That was then. This is now down at 10. It's changing. It already crashed. That's what lots of traders don't realize. They think, oh, Robinhood sucks, it's going at 0. Now it's bullish again at 10. It already crashed last year. Past, present, and future, my friends. They're all major relevance. Robots. These are fun ones to look at. We don't keep up with these ones too frequently. Roblox was bullish. The IPO went 100%. Crashed back down. Yeah. It looks solid from down here with this earning. This looks like I got bear trap. There's that paper handshake out here. bullish Roblox. Can go to 200 or so. That's where I would cap it. It can go beyond 200. It's too big of a market cap. Pretty decent trade on it nonetheless. If you like that one. There's no reason not to. I mean, there's a bit of FUD on it. Some Roblox FUD over the past couple months on YouTube and stuff. I keep up with the gaming industry, so there's a bit of that going on. You wouldn't have expected it to go beyond that last 100%. That was the trade right there last year. It was a big trade on it. It was a new one for this year. I'm gonna prove that point. Let's double check the market cap. It has dropped a lot, so maybe the market cap's gone down a bit, but there's a reason it's a $70 stock share price. $40 billion market cap. This is about as big as Lucid is. Roblox is as big a company as Lucid. I have 1,234 employees. And to be clear, this is what it is. A video game like Minecraft. Whoa, this website's fucking weird. Where's the game? What is this? It looks like a block. Oh, okay, we're on their corporate website. I've never looked at it before. A bunch of developers working on their platform. Who's that?
Happy Valentine's Day, Captain. Chocolates, 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 yum, yum, yum.
Oh, nice. Thanks so much. Firefly, oh, happy Valentine. I had a prop. I was gonna take a bite out of the Hershey's bar, chocolate bar as a prop. It melted. User imagine it. Pretend I just took a bite out of Hershey's bar. Firefly's my Valentine's today. Oh, sweet. I knew I asked the right person. Sure, she's like, I topped out. Oh, I hit 201. Almost broke below 200. So we got 12 minutes on the bell. Let's check out if we got any battles going on. VXX red on the day technique. Wait a fucking second. S&P trying to close green? Fuck off. Excuse my language, shit. I have to. It's fun. It was ridiculous. Are you kidding me? S&P? Don't you dare to close green. So, such madness. Mind games. Really, after all that on VXX today, I was gonna close red. This thing was up double digits. It was up 10%. Looks like we're cruising into tomorrow then. Continue the battle tomorrow there. Sheesh. Feels like it's just pretending. It's just delaying the process. The sooner it keeps going down, the better. We don't want coconut bounce tomorrow. Another one tomorrow, no. So we want it to close red. We want VXX to close green. We got 10 minutes. Here we go. They're turning again. It just went red and VXX just went 1% green. It's fucking madness. And Kaval's just all over the place sketch. I don't like it. Zella's been maintaining 10% all day though. That's solid. Lucid's been nice moves all day. Bullish from 25 there on Lucid. Nicola battling it out, $8, 801. That's okay though. It doesn't change anything. It's more just is VXX gonna close red or green, so battle right now. DRV's over 45. Bearish real estate. T-Cat ride green. That's all we want of them today. We don't need to go far. Just hold steady, holding the line. See, when we're holding the line, when we got our defenses up holding the line, then we can fire more cannons, we can do more damage. FBXX 0%. Okay, this really is a battle on it today. What? Literally 0% with 8 minutes to go. Sensonics, the bearish one, that sketch one, that other sketch one, that never triggered the breakdown alert. That must be holding the line too. Okay. We didn't really take too much damage today. And Blackberry 690. Fire. Speaking of firing cannons, Blackberry under 7. It's hot baby. Under this purple box, hot baby Blackberry. I don't expect it to go lower than here. Back here. There's no reason for Blackberry to double bottom all-time low, anything like that. Could just be filling this bear target here. Given a hard support test in the long term. And that's totally fine. That's just accumulation on it for the long term. Here's the linear. See the giant target better. All that craziness here, that's last year on it. It's down here below the purple box, between the purple and the green.
Hot beverage.
$10 area, it used to be the good entries when we were able to enter 10 consistently, and then it would bounce Coinberry right back through 10. That's not where it's at right now. It'll do that again next in a couple of months. Next round, next go of it. The only blessing in the sky. The only good part about Kavu holding the green right there at the end of days, that Ding Dong's not number 1. I don't really want Ding Dong to be on the top of the list. It's funny, but I don't think anyone's trading it too seriously. I'd rather have Zella. We can't get everything we wish for. I'll let the charts do their thing. We're maintaining steady. Nickel is over 8. BRV is over 45. It's just seal the deal. If they close, if we finish right where we are right now, it's beautiful. It is Monday and Valentine's Day of all things, when retail traders aren't really paying attention to their investment. So it's all leading to pretty crazy action going into the rest of the week by the looks of it. Holding steady our hot heavy bullish, so we should be getting more double digits throughout the week here. That is a lot of green charts on the day with all things considered. It's about half and half. So these are holding up well. Nothing's taking too much damage that wasn't already that we were already aware of. All those just fine. Like Sundial, whatever it was, Sundial 8% red today after going like 20% on Friday afternoon. It's all good. And GameStop AMC 5% red, not a big deal. Doesn't change anything. Cool. Yeah, bullish charts right on track. Except for VXX, that's a battle. We got 2 minutes. It shouldn't be red right now. VXX should not be red right now after a solid breakout this morning. Never even quite hit 25. S&P is down, looking bare. This thing should be green right now, but it's not. Fucking mind games. So, you gotta trust that process. I have faith in where this chart's going with everything combined. It behaves weird. We could have hit $30 on it today. But no, I just gotta fuck around being red at the close. Crazy. So here's the daily candle, just raises some more questions about tomorrow. As long as we're over 20, it's solid. Being over $20 on it correlates to the S&P at $450. That's up here. When VXX is below 20, S&P is over 450 in that purple zone. It's way under there. It's like where it's done, so VXX should be pumping still. This thing's been going down, down, down. VXX should still be going up, up, up. There's no reason for it to be red on the day. But it is what it is. Market mind games, confusion, FUD, all that good stuff. Another day at the office. We got 20 seconds. What a day. Not the most exciting price action, but I'm pleased with it overall. It's about as good as we could have hoped for on Monday. 6, 5, 4. It's green! 2, 1. It's green! We did it! Boom! Squeeze confirmed. No way, we got it. Look at that. Fucking mind games. Yeah, red in the last second. Finishing off the salty Bearish. Sealing that deal. Looking good for tomorrow. Glad you all saw that. Now you know what I mean. When I was saying there's no reason for it to be red, it's fucking around. Green. S&P closed it red 439. Barely even at 439, almost 438 there. Alright. Successful day then. We got what we wanted out of those. Heading in the right direction. It was choppy, it was weird. That's what's going on right now. That's why new traders are struggling to figure it out. You gotta understand overall the power or the weakness. S&P is weak. Crypto strong. So we're gonna cruise right on that crypto in a minute. First things first, quick market summary. Cobble. Prime example of the mind games. That was another one, playing games. Let's talk about it. Closing under resistance. Okay, so we hit huge targets on Cobble on Friday. All in February. Going nearly 500%. Had to take profits too far too fast. Congratulations. Also, even if you're holding leftover shares, it's not even really worth the risk reward right now. It's just teetering on the edge of a cliff. So because it didn't hit 5 last week, there are other good trades going on. It's already showed weakness there with a 30% sell-off. Under resistance, it looks like a coconut bounce. It's probably gonna get hammered tomorrow. Boom. Go back down to 2. Cobble's effectively over for the moment. I'm not bullish on it. Not at all. There's a slim chance that it keeps going to 5 after this, but it looks sketchy. It's a good idea to just move on from that one or not. Sella is way better. We got double digits on it. Closing 10%. $1.30. That's nearly 100% for here. 70 cents, $1.30. And that's for midterm. Potentially have bigger targets long term. Could turn into a 10xer by the end of the year. Or else we wouldn't even be charting it.
777.
Why would we waste our time charting if it wasn't a 10x target? Captain doesn't get out of bed for 10%. Neuro Sparking a few sound here. Long-term bull run. Pretty big target. Another 10x actually. Lucid as well. Having a green day. From the bull box, $25 bounce. As long as it's over 25, we're heading to 100 trippy digis. People talking about XL and Ride, asking if they're still good entries. Yeah, they're gonna be until they go a lot bigger. We do have some time on these still. At the all-time low, apparently they're not quite ready yet. Something big's cooking up, get ready. So if XL doubles next week at the end of the month from $2 to $4, then this, you kind of missed the hot bevy. Same with Nikola under 10. If you're firing cannons under 10, it's pretty savage. With Bearish real estate, DRV over 45. Showing strength because it represents the real estate bubble pop. Let's check the bearish ones. Amp at 300. What we need is very much happening in progress. That's cool. I heard she's having a red day on Valentine's Day. Let's go. Yeah, since had the worst of it today. This has been one of the ugliest ones lately. There's still a chance, there's still time. Cool. So using checking the bearish one, just making sure that those are also heading in the right direction. They're restoration of balance from overvalued to undervalued. They're not necessarily bearish companies. They're just overvalued. So if they keep going down, that money can flow into the undervalued place. Now that market's closed and the S&P is not going straight down, Bitcoin holding green from 42. It was looking pretty decent earlier until that happened end of the day with the S&P going straight down. That's what you can expect. When there's nothing too extreme going on, now it's strong again. Look at it go. It's basically all the paper handlers got shaken out again every day on crypto. They see the S&P going down and they go, oh shit, I'm gonna sell my crypto. And then the diamond handlers are just sitting here watching it like, okay. That's happening every day, just like the S&P coconut bounces every day. impressively enough, crypto may become a proper hedge during the market crash. Crypto may actually hold up through all the storm. That would pretty much be the first time in history that it did. It is. Lots of altcoins are undervalued right now. Let's take a look where they're at. So here's our 2T area, battle at 2Ts with wiggle room. You didn't very much tell where we fell below 2Ts last week. Solid bounce in progress. Trying to get through 2Ts. Send it to all-time high. The total market cap. How about the altcoins? Altcoins holding 1T. Holding 1T bullish. As a current breakout formation. Top it all off. Deviating from the green downtrend, parallel descending channel there. And now we're actually trending up on the altcoins here for the last couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. I would love to see more of our hot bevy stocks blast off soon. For the altcoins, ideally we would have 3 more months, 6 more months to accumulate before they start pushing all-time highs. If the FOMO kicks in hard on crypto, on Bitcoin during all the market chaos, and it keeps pushing upwards, and there's lots of new money flowing into it, this can happen quick. Within a few months, be hitting all-time highs on altcoins again. So it appears we have somewhere between maybe 3 months, 6 months is my best time frame estimate on it right now. As soon as within a few months we can be hitting all-time highs. It could take up to 6 months to start pushing up stronger. We might get 6 months of accumulation, and then the end of year altcoins are going straight up. So it is going to depend on the dollar somewhat there. That's all part of it. It's a big part of why we chart the dollar here. So with our dollar projection going up to 100 on the midterm, making perfect sense, correlating S&P going down, dollar pump, stocks dump, yeah. So that makes sense with the S&P, but then you have to consider how does that affect the altcoins. Well, if this lasts 3 more months, 6 more months with the dollar going up here, we'll probably have that long to accumulate before they start really going wild, start really moving, going on altcoin bull run, alt season after that. However long it takes the dollar to go up here, that's how long we probably have to accumulate. Some of them are going to go faster though. That's where it gets interesting, because some of the altcoins are going to be tearing upwards and onwards be before everything else, beyond everything else. There have been major bounces on some of these, like UFO here, just last week. Going 170% 1 week. With that kind of stuff going on, UFO, this one can keep going up and away, all on its own, even if Litecoin's flat. So there are gonna be certain ones that are moving anyway. Like that SHIBA trade, there's very nice SHIBA entry one of those days, in the olden days. Is bullish falling Bitcoin here for now, but back here, that's a real good entries on that breakout. That was an opportunistic entry. It went 10x when nothing else really was. It's one of the few ones to rally at that time. There will be this going on the altcoins the whole year, all year long this year. There's too much hype and excitement over them. There are definitely gonna be more altcoins pumping. But in alt season, an altcoin season, that's more referring to the dollar here, because here's 2020 altcoin season. If you want. When Ethereum blasted off, when the dollar's going down a lot. Here's 2017 all season. This one was the real fire. That's when the smaller market cap altcoins went huge. Back here in 2017 with this dollar dip. This one, only some of them did. Only Ethereum, Cardano, SHIBA, DOGE. All those ones mooned, yeah, but not everything. There's some great altcoin projects, solid long-term fundamentals that haven't gone up very much during here, and they're still at nice all-time low kind of entries. Hey, Jake Constant. Chainlink versus Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Chainlink long term. We just got a bullish round indicator. To finish this thought, so this is where altcoin season would be. There's gonna be nice runs on specific altcoins here and there during this time anyway, all year regardless. It'll be good trades to find. Okay, first of all, let's start with the Chainlink dollar, because we may not have seen our chart on this yet. Look at this long-term bull run back to 2018. That's where it's sitting right now. Also, you're getting August entries, time traveling back to where it was in August. All-time high was around 50. It's not a bad entry, down 70-75% with this long-term trend. I would anticipate this to continue for years to come, probably another 5-10 years. Chainlink's a long-term hold though. It's more of a diamond hands chart. There are some that we have here that are nice and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. But there are others that are completely undervalued and they're steel. It's like steel and treasury. I'll check out a chainlink BTC. Yeah, you're right, that looks weak there. That's normal though. That would be normal right now. That's actually would make sense to have a bit more of a retracement here in a link Bitcoin pair. Yeah, the reason being is because Bitcoin is trying to go bullish here. It's trying to continue up to 50k area here, 48k. So when there's a big move like this happening on Bitcoin, since it's the king of crypto, this is the one that moves first. It is likely that while Bitcoin's pushing upwards here, it's going to be outperforming the altcoins temporarily. When Bitcoin's having a strong push upwards like that, it usually is outperforming the altcoins. And then after it cools down, the money starts flowing into the altcoins. So being that there's more dominance on the Bitcoin action right now, it's pretty much all eyes on BTC, just like the S&P. So altcoins aren't moving too much per se right now. We got them right where we want them. That's the reason why this could have a retracement though, is because when Bitcoin's pushing up to 50k going straight up, it's gonna be leaving chainlink in the dust temporarily. But on the long term, very much can trend up and outperform Bitcoin. This 2 years ago, 2020, not 2021. So another way to look at this actually, bro, think about it this way too, is maybe Chainlink's overdue for a rally on the Bitcoin pairing. It really hasn't outperformed Bitcoin for 2 years now. Maybe it's overdue for a push there. Just have me curious about the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing, because this one's all-time low. We're at all-time low on Litecoin Bitcoin pairing. Is it gonna respect the chart, the technical? This is looking to play out. I'm expecting this to work on the Litecoin Bitcoin pairing. Now, when Bitcoin's pushing up, Litecoin's is probably gonna hold steady around here, the correlation. But once altcoins in general start going on a real run, we should see this play out where Litecoin's crushing Bitcoin. Last time this year. The reason I'm saying that's considering Grayscale Litecoin. Yeah, some of these are long-term holds for sure. Okay, so let's say Chainlink is long-term hold, Litecoin's long-term hold, ICP, Nano, Balancer, Dash, vechain. Casually. We're going for the bigger trends here. So another correlation, Litecoin, Ethereum, because Ethereum went huge last year, Litecoin didn't really. So not only are we at all-time low on Litecoin, Ethereum, been holding steady. Litecoin's been stronger than Ethereum, according to this chart, for 2 months, December, January. So it was back early December right here. Ethereum's been selling off a bit, and Litecoin's been holding strong. So this gives you an idea of which one's gonna go bigger this year, next year. Litecoin's overdue for a rally like that. That's what I like about it. These entries though, oof, my goodness. Don't get me too excited. Dash at 102. I might have to try and pillage some Dash at under $100. Beautiful. Just working on Dash for it. So it's a long-term hold because we don't know exactly how long that would take. Is that gonna take 6 months? Is that gonna take a year, 2 years? Depends on Bitcoin. Depends on the total market cap. It hasn't begun yet, that's the thing. We can't tell because it hasn't even started. It's still in accumulation right where we want it. Snipe it for entries. Well, I'll tell you what. I anticipate Dash to hit a new all-time high one day in the future. I don't think that's done. I don't think that was the top on Dash 5 years ago. It's too strong. It's been around too long. Too many diamond handlers. There's too many buyers under 100. It's looking to rally. Go to a new all-time high. 20x kind of targets here. This is how we get our 20x targets on the charts, from $100 to $2,000. But there are ones that have solid long-term bull runs, uptrends like this from the bottom here. Bullish mail indicator. Let's go. There's no reason to doubt that. You can't doubt that. Too strong support, long-term support. You just have to know it's there. You have to find it first. Be aware of it. That's the hard part. Once you see it, it's fucking obvious. And then even on the log chart, which is why we like the log chart, well, now your 2000 target looks a whole lot more reasonable. It looks pretty reasonable that it could shoot up to that green line, right? $20x. Green alert! Haha, naked swabby, you're funny. Yeah, these effectively are giant magic triangles. It's as close as it really gets. It's unusual when we get a real true giant magic triangle. So this is about as close as it gets most of the time. in green there. But note how it's not exactly a giant magic triangle because it's not like this. It's rare when you get a perfect one. It's rare when you got a perfect one. Like this. Like look how fucking perfect. Peter. This counts. It's just stretch. Depends how you draw it. If you want to make it symmetric or not. The difference is these start back here. These are the whole chart, the entire fucking chart. Going years and years back, forming this giant pattern, long-term perspective. Doesn't matter the short term, it doesn't matter what Ether does tomorrow if we get this giant magic triangle breakout soon. That's pretty much it. There's not any more. I don't think there are any more giant magic triangles on Altcoin. Not even Dash really. Maybe Steam. No, this doesn't count. It's close enough. It's effectively the same, but not a beautiful giant magic triangle really. It's close enough. It's gonna behave the same in the end from the breakout of the resistance, but you get the point. It's very rare when you got a perfect one. Like this. So interestingly enough, even TCAT has that on the indicators, not on the chart. But yeah, okay, we're still holding our bullish momentum on the weekly. That's important on TCAT, first of all. There's some giant magic triangle action on the RSI. A giant magic triangle on the TCAT indicator. That's unusual. That's rare. Meaning, hey, TCAT breaks out this giant magic triangle on the RSI. That's all it needs to go to the moon. We got signs of that last year, but of course, it went too far too fast. Forward retracement, hot bevy. You're basically getting in the bottom barrel entries on TCAT nowadays. Anything under 5 I like. Yeah, nice bull box, nice buy box matching up. Where it first broke out. X marks the spot. Let's get this treasure back to town. Alright, so although there aren't too many giant magic triangle perfect situations like that, there are a lot of long-term bull runs on these altcoins going on. Lots of it's hard to even remember them all. Let's see if we can find a couple. Well, we saw chainlink vechain have something similar. Vechain, nice long-term bull run here, uptrend for 2 years straight. That's solid. That's about as good as it gets because we like to go long on the long-term support. Nice hot bevy from last year. Let's see again, 85% down from the all-time high last year. That's good enough. Good entries, so you can feel confident accumulating there. Yeah, I mean Dash has it. We had it on Dash. Way back there. That hasn't completed yet. See a coin's not even ready. Okay, NEM XEM long-term bull run. Here's another one. Digibite. There we go, Digibite. That's potentially the best example of it even. And it looks reasonable when you see it on this chart here. It looks very reasonable. You go, okay, that can happen. Surely that's within reason when you look at this chart visually. Let's measure the move. 700%. Just that quick 700%, no big deal. Meager 700%. Alright, awesome. We're gonna call it another successful day. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Much love to the crew. Thanks so much. All the kind words and support today. Another successful day. Happy trading. Have an awesome day. And take care. Where are the sales? We'll pick it back up pre-market tomorrow morning. Take care.
So you need a little break, huh? Say you need a little space, yeah. Is it cause you can't be faithful? Hope she's cool.
Check the channel in the morning. Channel page. I'm not pre-scheduling the live show tomorrow. I'll just be live on the channel. You may or may not get the notifications. Thanks, everyone.
You'll be keeping me in town when you're too. I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy. Think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not mad. I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you.